Hello guys, welcome to iTutor. This video about the UGC NET updation 2021. Okay, so all of you know the UGC postponed the exam because of the pandemic, and now UGC NTA website opening of the online portal for submission of online application form for June 2021 UGC NET. Okay. So, due to postponement of December 2020 UGC NET in view of COVID-19, the schedule of June 2021 UGC NET has been delayed. Okay, so two sections of NET exam already delayed. And in order to regularize the UGC NET examination cycle, the National Testing Agency, with the concurrence of UGC, has merged both UGC NET of December 2020 and June 2021 cycle so that they be conducted together in CBT model. And the application process is therefore being reopened for the new applicants to fill in and submit their forms. Okay. So, the candidates who have registered for UGC NET of December 2020 cycle but have not been able to complete the application process can be complete and submit the application form online on the website. Okay, if anyone just missed the chance to fulfill your application, now the time to reopen and you can complete your application through the website. One is NTA website, all of you know the website www.nta.ac.in, and one is ugcnet.nta.nic.in. Both website you will get the link to fulfill your application during the period specified below. And the slot of JRFs of both UGC NET of December 2020 and June 2021 cycle will be merged, while the methodology for subject-wise category-wise allocation of JRF shall remain unchanged. Okay, so that is not a problem. Now you can just apply for your exam, and you write your regular way, and other complications about other things they will manage after your exam and result. The candidates are advised to keep visiting the official website of NTA. I already mentioned the websites for the latest updates. Okay, and for any more inquiries and clarification, candidates can all NTA help desk at one number is there, and one email ID also, one website also about the NTA, that is ugcnet@nta.ac.in, and contact number is there for the help desk 011 4075 9000. Okay, you can contact if you have any more inquiries and clarifications. And this is about the new schedule for the UGC NET application. Online registration and submission of application form complete in all respect through NDA website. That is the time you will get from 10th August. Already it started from 10th August, and it will remain till 5 September 2021 up to 11:50 p.m. Okay, so in between you can fill and complete your application process for the JRF and NTA NET exam. And last date for successful transaction of examination fee is 6 September 2021 up to 11:50 p.m. only for the fee payment. Okay, and a correction in the particular in application form, that is online through only, that is from 7th September to 12th September, and admit card and other details they will announce later through website. So keep in touch with the NDA website and UGC website. And date of examination is fixed from 6th October to 11 October 2021. So you have August, September, 2 months are there for your preparation. And I already completed the syllabus of paper 1 UGC exam, the common paper 1 syllabus in our through our channel, and you can follow that. And if you have any doubts or you need more support for your UGC preparation, you can just comment it on comment box. Otherwise you can contact me through itutor.coms@gmail.com. okay, so timing of examination, the first shift, second shift, 2 shift are there. The first shift, the morning section is from 9 to 12, and the second shift from 3 o'clock to evening 3 o'clock to 6 o'clock. And you keep in touch with the website, that is ugcnet.nda.nic.in and www.nda.ac.in. okay, so this is about the new updation for the UGC NET and JRF exam. If anyone left with the application form, so please utilize this time and fulfill your application and study well in between 2 months more for your exam, so you will get enough time for your preparation, also your first paper and also for your second paper also. Now it's a revision time and also for your study time. You can utilize maximum for this, and all the best for all of you. Thank you, and keep watching our channel and do subscribe, and please support us for the more knowledge. okay, thank you.